10 scientific ways to lose belly fat.
Number 10.
Fiber. Seeking high-fiber foods may actually help aid weight loss and help you to feel less hungry. Fiber helps reduce cholesterol levels, stabilizes blood sugar, and improves digestive health. Fiber is found in plant-based foods, not animal products such as milk and other dairy products, fish, meat, and eggs. Fiber content is higher when the food is less processed, so a peeled apple has less fiber than an unpeeled apple. Orange juice has less fiber than an orange, and whole grains have more fiber than refined grains. Some fiber foods are non-starchy vegetables, starchy vegetables such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn and peas, whole grains, nuts, peanuts, seeds, beans, and peas. Some research studies suggest that fiber may help with weight loss. Fiber may help to increase feelings of fullness so that you eat less food, leading to weight loss, because losing weight is about taking in fewer calories than your body uses.
Number 9.
Trans fats. Diets rich in trans fats cause fat tissue to be redistributed into the abdomen and leads to a higher body weight. Trans fats are found in vegetable shortenings, some margarines, crackers, cookies, snack foods, and other foods made with or fried in partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fat is a type of dietary fat. Of all the fats, trans fat is the worst for your health. Too much trans fat increases your risk for heart disease and other health problems.
Number 8.
Little or no alcohol. Alcohol is empty calories and lowers inhibition, which encourages drinkers to consume more. At the same time, it increases hunger. Alcohol works against you by slowing your metabolism. When alcohol is consumed, it's broken down into acetate, which is similar to vinegar. The body burns acetate before any other stored energy in the body, skipping right over any excess fat you might be working towards reducing. Alcohol also stops the body's lipid oxidation, making it even tougher for your body to burn existing fat.
Number 7.
High protein diet. A high protein diet can help you drop weight quick because eliminating carbohydrates causes a loss of body fluids, and a high protein diet causes substances called ketones to be released into the bloodstream. The ketones make dieting easier by lowering your appetite. A high protein intake boosts metabolism, reduces appetite, and changes several weight regulating hormones. Protein makes you burn more calories due to the high thermic effect and other factors. This is also why it tends to boost your metabolism. It helps you to burn more calories in your sleep as well. Protein cuts your cravings and reduces your desire for a late night snack. Protein also helps prevent muscle loss and metabolic slowdown. Protein is found in foods such as meats, fish, eggs, dairy, kidney beans, chickpeas, etc. Taking a protein supplement can also be a good idea if you struggle to meet your protein goals.
Number 6.
Reduce stress. Stress can cause you to overeat and have poor health habits, which then leads to weight gain. Stress that goes on for too long unaddressed can really have some damaging effects to your weight loss journey. Stress can increase your appetite, make you hold on to fat, and interfere with your willpower to work hard and lose weight. Stress hormones keep working for as long as 24 hours. Stress causes sugary cravings, anxiety, and can lead to a sweet tooth. Some ways to reduce your stress levels to help aid in weight loss are taking a walk, taking a break from your ordinary life, or writing in a journal.
Number 5.
Little or no sugary foods. Added sugars are added calories without the nutrition. To cut sugar from your diet, reading ingredients labels on your food is key. There are over 50 names of sugar according to the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. Avoid packaged foods and eat more whole foods. Studies have shown that high sugar diets increased weight gain when compared to low sugar diets. Consuming too much in a chronic sense can lead to excessive weight gain and fat storage throughout the body. One of the first rules to any weight loss program is to burn more calories than what you eat. Sugar consumption is linked to many health issues, with the most concerning one being obesity. 7 out of 10 adults are overweight or obese, and sugar plays a major role in this statistic.
Number 4.
Cardio workout. Cardio workouts are a key component to losing weight. When you boost your heart rate into your target heart rate zone, your blood is pumping faster, you're breathing harder, you're sweating, and your body is burning more calories. The harder and longer you work out, the more calories you burn. Increasing the intensity of your cardio workout boosts the amount of calories you burn. Even minor changes in intensity will accelerate your metabolism. High-impact exercises such as running or jumping will often burn more calories than lower-impact activities such as walking. Whole body activities that engage both the upper and lower body can boost your heart rate and burn more calories.
Number 3.
Little or no carbs. Low or no carbohydrate diets can be very effective for weight loss, according to research. Reducing carbs tends to reduce your appetite and cause automatic weight loss, or weight loss without the need to count calories. For some people, a low-carb diet allows them to eat until fullness, feel satisfied, and still lose weight. Low or no-carb dieting will shift your body's metabolism. Instead of primarily using glucose for energy, your body will switch to using primarily fat. To achieve effective weight loss on a low or no-carb diet, you'll need to keep carbohydrate intake to a low or none, protein intake moderate, fat intake high, avoid snacking, and exercise regularly. Avoiding foods like bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, and pastry is a good basis for most people to lose weight. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Not enough sleep may increase your cortisol, the stress hormone. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration will help you avoid snacking. Be patient and trust your body will do what it needs to do, as low or no carb dieting does not produce results overnight.
Number 2.
Coconut oil. When it comes to weight loss, coconut oil is in a league of its own compared to other cooking oils. It has the incredible ability to prevent fat accumulation, stimulate metabolism, and curb hunger. Coconut oil keeps your metabolic rate raised for 24 hours at consumption, allowing for a greater amount of fat burning and a raised energy rate. It can replace butter or olive oil in your favorite recipes. Coconut oil decreases our accumulation of body fat, but it works as an appetite suppressant by increasing feelings of fullness. This is one of the most immediate ways to use coconut oil for weight loss.
Number 1.
Lift weights. Weight training helps you burn more calories every day. Weight training is more effective than cardio at building muscle and burns more calories at rest than some other tissues, including fat. In men, weight training led to a 9% increase in resting metabolism. Muscle contraction is a primary engine of fat loss. The more muscle mass you have to contract, the more calories you can burn. Resistance training is the best way to hold on to your muscle tissue while you lose fat. In turn, this extra muscle helps you to keep your metabolism humming even if other factors threaten to slow it down. Strength training in conjunction with good nutrition burns fat much more effectively than dieting alone, and dieting in conjunction with aerobic exercise. Strength training can have a dramatic effect on your hormonal system, which manages energy, mood, and other components of well-being.
That's it for today's video, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Top Shelf Health. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and click that like button. Do you have any ideas, suggestions, or requests for future videos? Drop us a line down in the comments section. Your feedback is truly appreciated. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Top Shelf Health family.